Okay, this is Chapter 7, Form A handout. We're looking at question number 15, solve each equation. So what we've got is we are taking 3x minus 5 over 7x equals 2 over x minus 5. The complexity of this is that we have denominators. In an equation, we can get rid of the denominators by multiplying by the least common multiple on each side. Sides are on the side of an equation. So let's take a look and see what the least common multiple is. Least common multiple of the denominators. So let's see, we've got x, we've got 7x, and we've got x minus 5. The least common multiple of that is the number that each of these go into evenly. Well, I definitely need a 7, so this guy can go into it evenly. I need an x, and I need an x minus 5. So if I multiply by this on both sides of the equation, then I can clear them. Or, same thing is multiply this for each term in the equation. So let's see, we got 7x, x minus 5 times 3 over x minus 7x, x minus 5 times 5 over 7x equals 7x, x minus 5 times 2 over x minus 5. I want to note something here. These are denominators. There are a couple of things that x cannot be. X cannot equal 0. And what else can it? This denominator can't be equal to 0. When does that equal 0? That's when x equals 5. So if x equaled 5, this would be a problem. Keep that in the back of your mind. We'll take care of it now and we'll see what happens later on. So when we try to cancel items, x cancels with x. 7 in the x cancel with the 7 in the x. That was the whole point of this. X minus 5 cancels with x minus 5. Let's see what we have left over. It's supposed to be blue, aren't I? This one I have 3, x minus 5. Be careful here. What do I have left? I have minus 5 times x minus 5. I have to subtract off this whole numerator. Equals 14x. You know what I did? I forgot this guy right here. So this is not a 3. It's a 21. A 7 times 3 and an x minus 5. Okay, I've got an equation with, let's see what we got first. See what kind of terms it is. 21x minus 21 times 5 is 105. Minus 5x plus 25 equals 14x. Clean this up a little bit. 21x minus 5x is 16x. We need to simplify each side before we go on. Negative 105 plus 25 is negative 80 equals 14x. Okay, so it looks like we've got a linear equation. If I notice I have a linear equation, I get the x's to one side and everything else to the other. I'm just going to bring this guy over here, let him sit here, because then I'd have to do a double switch. I'll just have to divide by negatives. It doesn't matter. 16x. Left side is negative 80. right side is negative 2x divided by negative 2 divided by negative 2. We end up with left-hand side is a positive 40, and the right-hand side is an x. Okay, going back to what it can't be, I'm good. We have to check it. I kind of ran out of room to check, but we'll squeeze it in right here. Myself some room right here. Check. X equals 40. 3 over x minus 5 over 7 times x equals 2 over x minus 5. That gets us 3 over 40 minus 5 over 280 equals 2 over 35. If you have your calculator, go ahead and put it in. Otherwise, we need to get common denominators. Our least common multiple actually is 280. This guy needs a 7. I'll make this a different color. This one needs a 7. This guy's okay. Put a 1 there. And this one over here actually needs an 8. 35 times 8 is 280. 21 over 280 minus 5 over 280 equals 16 over 280. 21 minus common denominators, add or subtract across the top. 16 over 280 equals 16 over 280. So that one's right. Number 16. Same thing. Looks like I took some space. Same.